Welcome back to Sassy's Cuisine. If today your first time, I give you a warmly welcome. Sassy's Cuisine. Today we are doing something different. Yes, we are coming to do yam balls. So I have here yam. I've already sliced and washed them. I have flour. I have breadcrumbs. I have egg. I have season. Cayenne pepper, I have spring onion, garlic and ginger paste. So what I'll do is, since the yam is already washed, I'm just going to put it in the water. I've already boiled the water, it's on fire. So I'll just carefully and gently put it into the boiled water and allow it to cook for 15 minutes. So I have my yam in a different bowl now. I'm going to mash it. And please check out our other videos, and if you are yet to subscribe to, I'll urge you to kindly subscribe. I'll add my seasoning to it. And butter. My spring onion and garlic and ginger paste will go in. And add 1 egg yolk to it. So I'll add cayenne pepper to it. So I'll make sure it's ready. I'm going to mold my paste or my yam paste into balls and put it on the plate before frying it. So that's how it goes, like this. Okay. So that's how it goes. 1, You can do as many as you want. So this is the last two. Molding of the yam balls. So what we will do is we have to coat it. So this is my flour, my egg and breadcrumbs. So first I'll put it in the flour. Like this. Put it in the egg. Then put it back into the breadcrumbs. So I'm going to repeat it. I'm using both hands at the same time, one for the dry ingredients and one for the wet ingredients, which is the egg. I dip my balls into it, my yam balls into it. I don't want to burn my yam balls, so I keep turning it to prevent it from burning. My yam balls are ready. Wow. Wow. Thank you so much for staying with me. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.